Well, we finished a shift at Lions, and you're too bright. Your halo is too bright. Yeah. Now we're just sitting here at this like bumpin' tailgate party. Bumpin'! Oh my god! Getting tart. Let's do it. Yeah. Close enough. My face hurts. Okay. Wow. Daily adventures. Hi.
Where is it?
Hi. Bye. There's no light in here.
Girls be like, I just love Starbucks. It's so good.
Out, like above the water, and underneath they're like, and they're all above the water like, I don't know what's going on.
What the fuck is going on?
And
Nature's weirdos.
And this is why he's an actor.
That is why you're the human weirdo. It's fine.
It was a long night.
That was a good night again. Things got real weird real quick. But no, I had a great time, and now I am going to sleep a lot because I am so tired. I don't know how much I'll vlog in the next few days just because I'll be at home and it'll be the same thing. Just kind of like lazing around. But if I don't vlog, I will be on other social medias, so just follow me out there, and I will see you later. Peace.